shaken, not stir-fried. Shaken, not stir-fried. Shaken, not stir-fried with shallot. Okay. Aphrodisiacs for the soul. I mean, aphrodisiacs for the taste buds.
This is the second drink in my stir fry known as shaken, not stir fried. So, we're making a hurricane, which is made from white rum, lime, passion fruit. You're meant to use passion fruit juice, but I couldn't find any, so we'll work around that. Sexy time, motherfuckers. Sexy time has to happen. Dark rum. Get the cheap shit because you're students. Grenadine syrup. That says, yes it does. Grenadine syrup. Tequila sunrises. And orange juice. Bitches. Need some vitamin C in your life. Yeah. Jam jar full of ice. Like I said, cocktail shaker. Look and get you. Now you fill it with equal parts white rum, dark rum, and orange juice. So, pour the shit in, equal it out, that'll do. You can see? Section. Might look like a lot, but the more you drink, the less bad it will taste. That's the advice I will give you. So, that sounds so beautiful. So that's mainly rum, which might look scary, but stop being fucking pushy about it. And a little bit of orange juice. There we go. That looks pretty, doesn't it? I might need a bigger jam jar. Glass didn't work, so what we're doing is we're filling up the kettle with ice. Because we're going to use that instead. Yay! And yeah, I wouldn't advise. Oh, it's frosting up. Yeah, I wouldn't advise it. It's just the coldness.
That there is science.
Science, motherfucker.
Look at that shit.
Yeah. Oh no, that one.
Okay,
but yeah,
maybe,
basically.
Okay, maybe not use that one.
Then break it up. That's scary.
Use the hand. Oh, okay, just use your hands there.
Because I got man hands.
So, if you have like a vessel in which to use shake up alcohol, I'd use that.
Use that.
Rather than your kettle, but we don't. So
what's it called? Wouldn't fit. The jam jar wouldn't contain all the booze.
You need a big ass vessel.
You need something huge because I need a big drink. And yeah, and then the other booze we use had moulding, so we had to scrap that one. So what we're gonna do is
always check your vessel before
always check
alcohol.
the size of your vessel. Because you're going to need to check.
I don't even know what I'm like looking at.
Like we said earlier.
Right.
Equal volumes of white rum to dark rum to pineapple juice.
Pineapple.
So to your kettle full of ice. Oh, I ain't gonna. Oh, we'll see how this goes. That sounds legit. So that was about 3 glugs. And another 3 cloves. Oh, that'd be strong. Oh, that'd be strong. That's pineapple juice. We don't use that sugar. Yeah. So like I said, equal amounts. So because I don't know how much equal has been in this thing, we'll top this up quite a lot. Now add your grenadine. Love grenadine syrup. Right, now, this is the part that's interesting, because we'll see how this goes. You need a lime, and you need passion fruit. So, you got a knife?
Mate, we got plenty of knives. Yeah.
Fucking hell. Hang on.
There's literally the shittest butcher knife.
You have, right, tip cunts. roll your lemon to get out more juices.
Your lemon.
Lime science, motherfucker. Alright, there
I
we go.
felt like you're talking to people that work in restaurants. Cunts.
Oh, the juiciness of the lime. There we go.
You put the lime in the coconut and chocolate.
Right, there we go.
Is it Reservoir Dogs? Not no, it's not Pulp Fiction.
Right.
It's something Tarantino. It's just Tarantino.
Tarantino. Fucking Tarantino.
Tarantino.
Right. Add your lemons. Use your hand like this.
Add your
to
lemon.
catch the lime.
Well, now gives you lemon. Eat lemon cakes.
Put this bitch up. Yeah. Bitch got cut. Oh my god, it smells so fucking good. Fucking love pommy. No, not. What the fuck are you? That's beautiful.
Meat is green.
Yeah, of course it's meant to be green, you dumbass.
Meat is fucking green.
It's fine to be fucking green, you temperature.
That's pure monkey.
You're per monkey.
That's not what your mum said.
Yes, she never. What? I don't even know what you said.
Meat is all green.
Meant to be fucking green, you cunt.
Look at it.
It's passion fruit. It's meant.
It's not passion.
It is passion fruit.
It's not passion.
It's named after Jesus.
It is.
Apparently. What the fuck's Jesus got to do with it? I don't know.
What's Jesus got to do if I don't know? Put the kettle on.
Right. It's time to shake this bitch up. Oh my god! That looks so cool! We're getting most of this, so we need a big drink. Big drink. Like almost as big as your mama's ass. Almost. Not quite, but almost. Yeah. I'll leave your kettle to dry for a bit. I'll put it here. Okay. This is the lovely hurricane that comes out the end of it. Because it's like a fucking hurricane to make. Oh my god, that's so good! Oh my god! And that concludes our shaken not stir-fried. I'm Charlotte Hopkins, and remember kids, drink responsibly and be like a fucking freak show. Night jokes!
It's shaken, not stir-fried. Shaken, not stir-fried. Shaken, not stir-fried with Charlotte Hopkins.